Thanks for watching. I'm gonna show you guys how to clean grout that's stained and it won't come out. We're gonna mix Arm & Hammer baking soda and peroxide. I actually went online and I found a guy giving directions of this, so I said, let me make a video for it so people can see it on a video. So I'm gonna put some of this in there and some of this in there, and we're gonna mix it and we're gonna scrub it and see what happens. So we're putting the peroxide in there, and I don't even know if this actually works, so we're just doing this and doing a video on it as we go. So we're gonna see if this works. I never said this is gonna work for sure. We're gonna find out if it's gonna work. Here we go. We're gonna mix this in there and start scrubbing. I'm trying to do this with one hand on the phone and one hand on the camera. Here we go. This is all really happening in real time. Let's see if it works. I'm trying to hold the camera steady. Hand shaking. All right. I turned the light on. Sorry about the dark video in the beginning. I try to place my hand down. I'm gonna give it a good scrub. Sorry about shakiness. All right. So I put this much effort. Let's go at least 20 seconds. All right. Okay, I set the phone down and I wiped it because it was just shaking too much. So I'm wiping it down right now with some paper towel. I did turn the flashlight on for you guys. And let's see if this works. All right. But we got to give it a chance. Here we go. Did it work? I don't know. You be the judge. My opinion is it worked. So baking soda and peroxide, mix it, and you got to scrub it. Takes about a minute of scrubbing, but that is way nicer than it was. That's awesome. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up.